This video is sponsored by DevCongress. Hi guys, this is Kofi here. It's time for yet another giveaway. And today's giveaway is brought to us by DevCongress. So DevCongress is giving away 2 tickets to the PyCon Africa event happening in August from the 6th of August to the 10th. In case you missed the first giveaway, which was a lens, well, if attending a PyCon event it's something that vibes with you, this might be a giveaway you will be interested in. So PyCon is basically a conference where Python enthusiasts, Pythonistas congregate to meet, network, and listen to talks, presentations, do workshops, and kind of engage. So for the first time happening in Africa, there's going to be a Python conference, and it's happening here in Ghana from the 6th to the 10th of August, which is just about next week from now. And it's gonna happen at the University of Ghana, Bank of Ghana Auditorium. You can see a link in the description below to learn more about the PyCon event. DevCongress is a community of developers here in Ghana and beyond who meet to share ideas and engage each other. You can see some previous videos I've done about DevCongress events and how the networking happens and the developer experience is like. You can see some of the links in the description as well. To win this giveaway basically requires 3 steps, and the steps are these. If you're watching this video, well, yes, that is the first step. The next step is to subscribe to this channel, which you can find the subscribe button down below this video, close to the like button. The last step is to leave a comment in the comment section below telling us why you want to be a part of the upcoming event. And that's all. So watch this video, subscribe to this channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section below. That's all it takes. The winner of this giveaway will be announced latest by Sunday, and the ticket will be issued to the person. So 2 tickets are going to be won. Make sure to follow these steps to be a part of this contest, and you could be on your way to the upcoming PyCon event. Now remember, winning the ticket is just the ticket to the event. So if you are in other countries, you are going to consider your own expense for moving yourself to the event. So if you're going to travel or accommodation and stuff like that, that is on you. The ticket is specifically only for attending the event. So keep in mind, although this contest is open to everybody anywhere, you attending the event is actually going to be on you. The ticket is only the ticket for the event. Just needed to clear that out of the way. Also, there are other tickets going out by DevCongress. Basically, DevCongress is giving away 2 tickets through this channel, but then you can follow DevCongress on their Twitter page and also join the DevCongress Slack workspace, so you can also get to know about how you can win other tickets. 2 tickets from this channel, and then there are other tickets up for grabs. So make sure to follow them on Twitter and join the Slack workspace as well. So what are you waiting for? A big thank you to DevCongress for making this possible and supporting this channel through such a giveaway. I wish you all the best and hope to see you at the upcoming DevCongress events. Kofi Photography will be there to handle the pictures, so make sure you smile to the camera when you are in frame. Thank you and hope to see you. Bye.